So the question given to us is draw a circle of radius 3.5 centimeter. Take a point P outside the circle at the distance of 7 centimeter from the center of the circle and construct a pair of tangents to the given circle. So we first draw a circle of 3.5 centimeter radius. Here is a radius and we draw a circle. And here is a circle which is drawn. And now we have to take a point P which is 7 meters away from center of the circle. So from O this is OP which is 7. And OM equal to 3.5. So here is our line segment OP and we draw perpendicular bisector of this line segment, and here is our perpendicular bisector. Now what we do is we take this M and P as a radius and we draw another circle. So from the perpendicular bisector to point P we draw another circle, and it crosses this circle intersects the another circle at 2 points which are A and B, and we join these points with P, so this becomes PA and PB, which are the tangents of the circle and which are also perpendicular to the radius. Here is our given justification.